Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and opening Registry Editor. First, create a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. That protects your settings. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and open Windows Terminal as admin, then run regedit to launch Registry Editor. Make sure File Explorer is closed to reduce conflicts. You do not need to install third-party tools yet. Instead, confirm you exported the current registry hive to a reg file for quick recovery. Now modify the keys that control the context menu. In Registry Editor, go to HKey current user /software /classes /clsid and create the folder with the exact GUID shown, then add a subkey named inproc server32. Set the default unnamed value to an empty string that tells Windows to use the legacy handler. Once those keys exist, close regedit and restart Explorer. You can do that quickly from Task Manager or by running Taskill and starting Explorer. EXE, finish by verifying the classic right-click menu is active. Right-click on the desktop and on Files to confirm the full Windows 10 style menu appears. Test common items like Open, Properties, and Send to. If it did not change, reopen regedit and carefully recheck the GUID path, and that inproc server 32 default value is truly empty. Typos break it. As a troubleshooting tip, revert by deleting the keys you added or import the reg backup you exported earlier, then restart Explorer to restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.